What's up everybody, Thomas here. We're back again working on the 1985 Merkur XR4Ti. So today we're going to be replacing PCV valve, and we're going to be checking over a couple other things. And yeah, so let's jump right into it. We'll start with the PCV. Alright, so I got a new PCV right here, Motorcraft EV 127A. This is the new PCV for the vehicle. This is it right there. There's a couple other pieces, but we don't need those for this vehicle. And right here, you may have already spotted it, but I've already taken the liberty and kind of brought it up here so we could see it. This guy right here is the old PCV. Down there is where it goes into, and we just have to take it out of this pipe and basically just plug the tube back in, and the whole thing is done. So let's do that real quick. So this job should be fairly simple. We just have to pull out this old PCV somehow. Maybe with some pliers. Hopefully, once this PCV is installed, the new one should help the vehicle run a little bit better. And yeah, so we'll do that. There it is, nearly out. That's the old one. As you can see, this one kind of, I don't know, floppy is how I describe it. So, not sure if it's working 100% correctly or not, but floppy probably isn't what it's supposed to be. So, now let's grab the new one. These ones are of two different kind of designs. This one's got like a circular guy, and this one's kind of more square. I guess, well, we'll see. So yeah, so we'll do that. What I'm gonna do first though is I'm just gonna cut off that little bit of pipe there. Just so that we got a nice clean pipe to work with. Just gonna move that clamp out of the way. We'll put it back on after. There we go. Okay, so I got the pipe cutter, or the tubing cutter. I'm just gonna cut off this end that's got kind of mangled. There we go. Nice and chopped off. Well, as long as it didn't fall into distributor, well, down there somewhere. That's all that matters, I guess. Take our new PCV, shove that in the hole, like so. Oh. Well, it's certainly going to be in there, that's for sure. Well, hopefully that holds. This pipe is pretty brittle or old. So there we go. That in there. And just shove it in that hole with that pipe. And there we go. The new PCV is installed. It's that guy there. We'll leave that for now. So next, what we're gonna do is, we'll just box this up for now, put it away. There's a few lighting issues with my car, so I'll show you in a minute. Let me hook up the battery here. So let's check what lights don't work here, because rear lights don't work.